If Lightroom is showing an authentication error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by a network problem, a sign-in glitch, or a corrupted Adobe cache. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to get Lightroom working again without wasting time on guesswork. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. Lightroom and Adobe Creative Cloud need a stable connection to verify your account. If your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, try reconnecting to a stronger network. Also, if you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Adobe services can sometimes block authentication when a VPN changes your location or interferes with the connection. Once you've disabled the VPN, try opening Lightroom again and see if the error is gone. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to sign out and sign back in. This is one of the most common and effective solutions for authentication issues. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud app on your computer. In the top corner, click on your profile icon and choose Sign Out. After that, close the Creative Cloud app completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Then reopen Creative Cloud and sign in again using the same Adobe account linked to Lightroom. This refreshes your session and often clears temporary login problems. If Lightroom still shows the authentication error, the next thing to do is clear the Adobe OOBE cache. This cache can sometimes become corrupted and prevent Adobe apps from authenticating properly. First, close all Adobe apps, including Lightroom and Creative Cloud. Then open File Explorer and go to /users /your name /appdata /local /adobe OOBE. Inside that folder, delete the OOBE folder. Don't worry, this will not remove your photos or Lightroom projects. It only clears Adobe's login-related cache. After deleting it, reopen Creative Cloud and sign in again. Then launch Lightroom and check if the issue is fixed. If everything works, great. Your authentication error should now be resolved. If not, double check that you are using the correct Adobe account and that your subscription is active. Sometimes the issue is simply a login mismatch. Also make sure your date and time settings on Windows are correct because incorrect system time can interfere with Adobe authentication. That's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for the Lightroom authentication error. Start with the internet and VPN check, then sign out and sign back in, and finally clear the Adobe OOBE cache if needed. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.